Okay. Okay, so after that, then we prepare income statement. Okay, so just prepare 2 columns. If you are doing service business, right, never prepare 3 columns, because you don't have the purchases part. 2 columns will do. Okay, and then no need to be very long because normally it's like very short only. Okay, so for this one, Simon will write down the title first. Okay, so then we start from income. So every time we start from the thing that we earn, okay, what is the income that we have? We scroll back up and see. So I have all the list here. The only income that we have is just revenue, because other thing is the one that I'm spending. Okay, that one will be my expenses already. So this is the things that we need. So my only revenue, we are 249,500. And then tell you guys first 11 to 17 no class okay, I got told you guys before, I forgot already, because Deepawali holiday. Okay, in case I forget to inform you guys. 11 to 17, but I WhatsApp you guys again lah. Means like our class next week as usual, 1 more weeks off. 14 no class means for account. Okay, if you have other subject, then I don't know lah, you can check your other schedule. Okay, so after this revenue, right, then we will need to less all expenses. Okay, for this question, right, I give you guys the easiest one first. Okay, let you guys have some guide. Okay, so for this one, okay, only this one is the income. Actually, all the other thing will be your expenses. Okay, for these questions only. Okay. So, but you have to be careful is the equipment and the furniture, right? We cannot write these 2 things inside. We only write depreciation. Okay, we don't use these 2 amount. We use depreciation amount. Okay, so be careful for this one. Then we just list down all the thing one by one. Okay, so then after you guys list already. My turn to list down. So if you list it down already, right? Okay, you see like electricity, right? You did adjustment. You plus for your accrued amount, so you have to bracket and write it down the calculation. Okay, because IG they might include this as the mark, the final answer no marks. So the best is writing this down, okay? In case okay, very hard to say. So and then you have insurance. Manager salary, no. Office expenses. 172,250 is my profit. You guys see if you got the same? Yeah, everyone done. Okay, like we see the next one. Okay, next one same as the previous one. Okay, also like easier one. Okay, then you guys to like understand with this one first. So for the things here, right, preparing the income statement of a service business, okay, Faye owns an interior design business on 30th June. So the following information was available about the business. So you have a list of items here. Okay, so advertising charges 80 were prepaid. So if we have prepaid means we have to minus minus 80 here, so 730. Okay, then wages 550 were due but unpaid. So you due but unpaid, right? Means accrued then be plus. And then provisions for doubtful debts increase. Okay, so this one you guys change to increase by. I typed wrong. If increase to means the whole amount we change to 450. But the original amount, this one is your balance BD. They give you 680. You increase by 450, right? This amount is your income statement. Your balance CD will be 680 plus 450, which is 1130. Depreciation is provided 25% using straight line method. So straight line method means I just use my cost multiplied by the percentage. Straight line just use cost, just use cost multiplied by percentage. Okay, so if you guys done, then we start to prepare the account now. Also income statement, 2 column. Okay, 2 column. I scroll. Done. Okay. So same for the questions here, you only have one income, which is your revenue. The revenue amount is 173,200. Then less all expenses. Okay, you guys can try to list down all the expenses for me. At least my answer, if you're done, you can check. You guys got put in doubtful debts. Then you see if it's correct. Final answer should be 111385.